I'm at Windhorse Farms. Windhorse is in Bridgewater, which is in Nova Scotia, Canada, and it's a beautiful place to be. And just thought I'd give you a quick tour of my current situation, and who knows, I may make some more videos about Windhorse. Welcome to my crib. This is Sweetwater. So in these cabins there is no running water, and so every time you come you get these 2 jugs and it's filled with water, and this is how you get water. I've got some dirty dishes over here. This is my fridge right here. I've got some food in here. There's no electricity, and there's a propane tank over here, and inside is so this is my cabin. This is the little stove I use to cook on. Like I said, this is not heated, so you got some wood here, and got a little wood stove. This is where all the heat comes from, and lots of windows. That's one thing I really like about this cabin is the windows. Lots of natural light in here. So this is where I sleep, and this is my view. It's incredible. So every time I come here, I always bring lots of books with me. I'm going to show you some of the books that I'm reading. This one is on emotional intelligence, everything you need to know to put your EQ to work. Some more books. This is Built to Last, Qualities of a Leader, Blockchain Revolution, Teardown, one of my favorite books by Dave Meslin. What is that? The 33 Strategies of War. I'm not getting into war anytime soon, but someone recommended that, so that's why I have it. Something to Believe in. And then this is what I've been reading for a long time, Media and Society. So it compares media in different places around the world. What else we got? Some more dirty dishes. Java blend coffee, baby.
One guy, what's up, baby?
What it do, baby?
Yeah.
I got my coronavirus supplements. Take one of these every day. And that is it. This is my crib. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be here for, but this is home for now, and yeah.